Hey birdies, welcome back. So I'm here to do another reaction. Oh, welcome back to my reaction. So I'm back again to do another reaction to the group SB19, and this is a live performance to their song Bazinga. And I was like, this is new to me. Where have I been? And I keep up with SB19 on Twitter and other fan pages and stuff. Where the hell was I?
Every day I think the load gets heavy. Throw it away, the world alone.
Give K-pop boys a run for their money. Oh, Ken, I'm such a fan, sir. Okay. Ding ding. Ding ding. Ding ding. Ding ding.
Who's the boss now? I just turned the road upside down, and y'all can't quit thinking cause you wanna know how I did it. Bounce and kick it round now. Don't you see, don't you see? This is my legacy, legacy. Now how you gonna get to me?
Get to me.
Get the almighty
Okay.
Every day I think the load gets heavy.
Okay, with a pop microphone. Okay. Ooh, I need to lose some weight because I need that jacket. I didn't know why when that beat stopped and he went on his knees and put his hand out. For some reason, I thought they were going to Vogue, give us hand performance. I would have gagged. And I'm like, oh, they made a fucking Vogue. But this is cute. This is cute.
I'ma beat you every nigga that the learn kung fu. One too much. You lucky cause they already did how to say that shit. Never mind, just a psycho. I'ma keep it low. Cause you know that I ain't doing nigga, keep it double low. Let me get the truth, just got a few more words to see the verbal layer. The angel I'm around to say.
What he saying? What? Oh, this is new. This is a new sound. SB19, they've been in studio working and discovering some new, testing out new sounds and new effects and stuff in the microphones. Dun 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 dun.
Look at you, look at you.
SB19 wins.
Okay. This and what can go good together back to back. This was a very good performance, SB19. Wow, I love the new sound. I'm here for this. Like I said over and over before, I'm here for this new project. I can't wait till the whole thing is complete. I can't wait for the whole thing is complete. But for everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who could you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Bye.